Carterville, Alabama, 2025, September 6th, Saturday. It's the Seniors Pattern Association sanctioned event. Filming planes and people, especially glow. I love that. That's old school. That's all it used to be before this electric. I don't know how to do what we do on the glow. I'm an electric guy. I wish you could smell through the foam that castor smell. That's a great smell. That's a run up. Make sure everything's running right before he goes out. Just a fast one through there to hold it up. That verifies that he's got fuel flow on the vertical. There we go. That's how the glow goes. I'll try to film this guy when he goes out. That's all on this one.